What if your entire USB toolkit could travel the world with your traffic, hidden behind layers of anonymity? Stay to the end for the exact steps and safety must-dos. Beyond VPNs, we're routing a portable workflow through the global Tor network, safely, legally, and practically. Privacy in the digital age is a complex and multifaceted concern. Many individuals turn to virtual private networks, or VPNs, as a primary defense. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel, hiding it from your local network provider. This is a valuable and often necessary step for basic online security. However, the landscape of digital threats and surveillance is vast. A VPN is only one tool in a much larger toolbox. It does not represent the entirety of what is possible or what may be necessary for robust privacy protection. We must look beyond single solutions to build more resilient security postures for our data and communications. This video explores a portable approach that moves past reliance on VPNs alone, introducing Tor as a tool for anonymity. Tor is a free and open-source software that enables anonymous communication. Its name is an acronym for the Onion Router. This name offers a clue to how it functions. Layers. Tor wraps your internet traffic in multiple layers of encryption. It then routes this traffic through a worldwide, volunteer-operated network of thousands of relays. Each relay in the path peels off one layer to learn where to send the data next. The final relay, the exit node, sends the traffic to its destination on the public internet. This layered process underpins Tor's anonymity. No single point knows both origin and destination. Tor's benefit is anonymity along the network path. It doesn't encrypt all data outside its path or protect you from malware. Log in with your real identity or use an infected device, and anonymity collapses. Treat Tor as one component in a holistic security strategy. A USB toolkit is a collection of portable tools stored on a flash drive. It can include executables, scripts, or even a live operating system. Booting from USB lets you run a clean, trusted desktop, separate from the host's hard drive. That isolation helps avoid malware and reduces data remnants on the host machine. Professionals and travelers use toolkits for consistency across machines. But portability is risk. Small devices are easily lost or stolen. USBs are common malware vectors. An infected host can taint your drive and vice versa. Security isn't copying files, it's encryption, device integrity, and careful user behavior. Without rigor, convenience turns into data loss, theft, or compromise. Handled properly, it's an asset. Neglected, it's a liability. Here's the step-by-step conceptual model to route your USB workflow through Tor. Step 1. Use a live operating system from your USB to avoid a compromised host. Boot the machine from the drive to run a temporary isolated session. Step 2. Connect to the internet within that live session. Step 3. Route traffic through Tor. Use Tor browser or Tor-enabled tools. This layers defenses. The live OS mitigates host risks. Tor mitigates network tracing. Result: conceal your IP and approximate location from sites and services. Use case: a journalist in a restrictive environment needing network anonymity. Use case: a privacy-conscious traveler on untrusted public Wi-Fi. Quick check-in at 2 minutes. If this helps, tap like, subscribe, and drop questions below. More privacy guides coming. Tor doesn't protect files stored on your USB. Unencrypted data is fair game if the drive is lost. Step 4. Encrypt the USB. This is non-negotiable. Know the limit. Sophisticated adversaries can watch hardware or networks beyond Tor's scope. Step 5. Compartmentalize. Keep work, identities, and data separated across contexts. Step 6. Intent matters. Use these tools legally and ethically, always. Regardless of tools, fundamentals are the bedrock of privacy. Must 1. Strong encryption for anything sensitive on portable media. Must 2. Redundant backups. Local encrypted drive or a trusted end-to-end encrypted cloud. Must 3. Stay updated. OS, apps, and if applicable, USB firmware. Security is maintenance and vigilance, not a one-time setup. Assume public machines are compromised. Keyloggers and data stealers are common. Whenever possible, only plug your toolkit into hardware you own and control. If you must use an unknown machine, accept the risk to both drive and data and plan accordingly. Tor trades speed for anonymity. HD streaming and large downloads can slow significantly. Your activity is hidden, but Tor use itself can be visible to networks and sometimes blocked by sites. Laws vary. Privacy tools don't grant permission for illegal activity. Use them to protect rights, not to harm others.